Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I want to start reminding you all, even now in May, it is May out and I've been mowing. Can you tell? We mowed 8 hours the other day. We did the whole place, 10 acres in one day. Oh, I'm still worn out. It is May, but you know what's coming very, very fast? November. And the first part of November always gets here quicker than our minds are set for it. You know, you're like, for the first week of a month lately, it's like, God, I can't believe it's, April or May or whatever. The BlytheCon 2023 is coming up November 5th, 2023 in New Jersey. And Jamie at Let's Talk About It with Jamie and I started last year setting up a YouTube Dolly meet where we get together with other YouTube channels, have a little party, and enjoy whatever doll show we're at, or we set it around. And this year we're doing the same thing. It'll be the second annual. Jamie has even had t-shirts printed. There'll be more on that coming up. Last year, I cannot tell you how much fun we had. This is Daisy. Daisy not only has, over 500 miles riding on my bicycle, but she has met so many YouTubers. Let me think of a few. She's met Allison and Gilly, Jamie and June, Dory's, Dolly's, Mel at Living at Gigi Moss Style, Tilly Bowen, Ava, and her husband. I'll tell you, between Ayla's husband and Dory's husband, they had us in stitches with Darren. I'll tell you, just good guys supporting their wives. There were Dolljoy Lisa was there, and if I have left you out, it's not, please do not take it. I'm just doing this off the top of my head. Irene Huff was there, and I don't think I had Daisy with me at that time. But if you look at Daisy's outfit, she has the Statue of Liberty dog. It's right now it's the only Statue of Liberty fabric that I could find. That is their theme this year. It's going to be fun. Don't wait till November and say, oh, snap, I forgot to save money to go to the BlytheCon. Start putting a little money away each month so that you can come. The BlytheCon, and as I remember, the BlytheCon is not just for Blythe, which is weird, but that's what they're doing. There's going to be other dolls there too. And if you don't collect Blythe, well, why not? But it doesn't matter. We're still going to have fun at that Dolly Meetup. The date and all the details are still being made, but we just wanted to get the word out there for you to start thinking, start saving, buy Blythe to get ready for the BlytheCon. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.